Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. Are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing pops! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh! Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew! You saved the day, Blue! Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set. Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye! Where's all this mess come from? Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button! Phew! Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream! Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Ooh, I hate rockets.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye!